Some people do find it challenging to convert their PDF to Word document. Alright, in today's session, we are going to learn how to convert PDF to Word document in just 1 minute, and it retains all our information just as we are seeing right here. This is our work which we are going to be converting. This particular PDF document is what we are going to be converting. All right, so what you need to do is you open Word document, and inside your Word document, all you need to do is you navigate to files and then you click on open. All right, so from here you navigate to where that particular folder is. So in my case, my folder is on my desktop. Okay, here is my work. So all I just need to do, I select the document and I click on open. Okay, so I'm going to get a prompt warning on my desktop right here. So all you just need to do is click on OK. Boom! You've seen our Word document has been converted and it's retained all the information as it was initially, just like this. So you can see this is our Word document here. This is our PDF right here on the right. Okay, so let us try to edit our Word document and then we'll see. Thank you. Subscribing. All right, let us write something again. All right, let's write something again. So as you can see, we can edit our Word documents. We can delete, we can add. Yeah, so guys, this is very simple and straight to the point. Okay, so if you are new to our channel and you want to learn more things, you can kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and there is also a video here to show you how to simply convert Word document to PowerPoint. Okay guys, see you in the next one, and cheers.